Juzi twali tukungubagira muganda waffe Jajja Iculi. Jajja Iculi yali musajja mugezi nnyo. Naye asalawo omanyi Robert Mao olumu yagamba nti if you are paid. Sorry, I tend to speak too much Luganda, and yet my Luganda is not very good. But Robert Mao one time said that if you are paid to be a fool, then your intelligence ceases to matter. And I think he was right. He was right. I only wonder whether he can say that again. But I was talking about Jajja Iculi. He was an intelligent man, but he decided to use his intelligence against his brothers and sisters. On the 18th and 19th of November 2020, he was the spokesperson of tyranny. He was the spokesperson of murder, mass murder. He thought he was one of them. What kind of idiot was he? He thought he was one of them. He was wrong. Those who speak to him told him, my brother, you're not the first. Look at Kakoza Mutale, look at Chitata. That's how they all ended up. And he knew it, because every once in a while he came out to speak the truth. Iculi yalinga avayo buli walwangawo musasula oba buli we yanyiganga oba ndooza buli we yakinywangamu nga avayo ng'ayogera amazima. Era tulowooza nti bagenda okulaba nga balabisiza nnyo ne bamukola nga bwe bazze bakola abalala. Era ekyatuuka ku Kirumira eyabakolera ekyatuuka ku Iculi, ekyatuuka ku Kaweese. Afande Kaweese was on TV justifying the mass murder in Kasese. When Museveni killed hundreds of women naked, hundreds of children naked, Kaweese came on TV and justified that. A short while later, they did the same to him. Look at Afande Okech. Look at Kirumira. Look at Afande Chigundu. Look at Afande Katumba Wamala. Look at Abiriga. He would wear yellow all body. These people are not your friends. They are not. They are not. The devil can never be your friend. They will use you and either dump you or eliminate you. They can never be your friends.